as long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.
All of you, this is your Ember Ninong. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Yay! Today is another simulator natin madidiscover dito sa SM Video Vlog Special natin madidiscover ay tungkol sa kanyang isa sa mga product ng SM Kids at isa na rin sa mga naitackle natin sa simulator at sa doctrine. Ngayon naman, something special. Yung ating mapag-aaral or madidiscover in simulator experience ang kanyang turon. O, yun. Pambansang merienda dito sa SF at ating mga Pinoy. At saktong-sakto, partner yan sa tag-ulan habang humihigop tayo ng mainit na kape, hot choco, or hot milk, diba? Tapos kumakain tayo ng turon. And the title of our vlog for today is Ang Turon ni Tito Head. Something interesting. So ano nga ba yung turon ni Tito Henry na yan? So we will have those of the new flavors. Meron tayo sa langka, with banana, with ube, and with coconut na mabibili lang natin sa halagang 25 pesos. So napakasarap, napakamura, at napakalaki ng pwede yung ma-avail at talagang busog na busog kayo in just I think is a 6 meter or more, parang ganito ata yung size nung turon na ngayon po ang nino niya madidiscover ko. And for the first time we will give a special food trip tour para sa ating mga mamimili, pagpasalubong at food trip pagka ikaw nasa SFX. So you will check it out my simulator in SM Kids at that I will discover the turon of your days na po natin personally ang nabili kong turon. This is a flavor of chocolate and kasi may langka, may ube. So ang nabili ko chocolate kasi may ligang sa chocolate. So this taste of the turon of the SM, we will try. Good taste is taste of banana and turon and with langka. Talagang crispy at nakakabusog. So, in just 25 pesos, kasing laki na siya ng tumbler nyo, mabubusog ng merienda nyo sa turot ng Tito Henry. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. Dito pa nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na ang turon ni Tito Henry. So this is a special video vlog simulator na inihandog ng SM Video Vlog Special at ng food vlog na isa sa ating mga bagong vlog department ngayon ay makapag food trip tayo at makapag-content tayo ng mga foods for education, entertainment, and for tourism, supporting for our travelers, mga nag-iisip kung ano pwedeng kainin kapag tag-ulan, kapag namamasyal as well and pasalubong. So, subscribe nyo ng TV and watch and buy this video vlog for only 115, 80 pesos for screen record. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood and see you again from my another video vlog simulator na ating matatampok dito sa ating SM Video Vlog Special. Thank you and mabuhay! Tulong.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.